When you mint your NFT, you get your unique NFT digital art PFP with its score sheet that only you will own. Yeah, that's right. Only you will own that image. This ain't no artist made an image and copied it 5,000 times and everyone has the same one you do.
No, 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 this can't happen!
Each image is completely different. You get one of 45 different comic trailer videos to the flick.
Is the baby okay?
You get a script of the movie, signed by the legendary Kevin Smith. And of course, you get the movie to watch on the player provided.